name. Miles was sharing the screen, right, Miles?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, I just don't know what happened suddenly. Okay, we're all back on track. So the letter I, so the word MMC, it is getting joined with the letter I, which means the I is inserted after every single character in the word MMC. Okay. Vatsal, you can go next. Snigdha, is there a specific reason why you want to go right after Miles?
No, not really.
Okay, and we will follow the order. Okay.
I have
Vatsal,
a question.
yes, Dhruv.
How come when you are doing that, you said after every single character, it prints a I, right?
Yes, but it does not print after the last letter because
Yeah.
the letters are
Why?
all like joined. It's all joined. So it starts after the first and then ends at the last letter because the values are already joined
Okay.
according. Yep. The join happens only so if you are having like beads, you are putting the beads into a string. You take the string and then you put the first bead, and after the last bead, you are done, right? When you put the last bead into the string, you are done. Right? You don't put anything beyond it because the last bead is getting joined with whatever was existing.
Yeah.
Got it? So that's the same way how this join also works. Vatsal?
Okay, let me share my screen.
Okay.
Wait, so which lab am I doing?
We are at the 4th lab right now.
So lab 5?
Lab 4.
Oh.
Yep.
So it's saying colors equals red, comma, yellow, comma, blue, comma, orange, comma, green, comma, purple, comma. And the comma means that it's gonna connect it like with spaces in between each one. And you wrote
Yeah.
join
Yes.
underscore colors equals.
Yes,
So
just a minute, Vatsal. So here the second line, when we say join and then the comma, it's actually going to join all of those like red, yellow, blue, orange, green, purple with the comma. So go ahead and change that comma to like a colon. Change it different because the comma, I think like not in the list. Not so the first line is a list, right? We are declaring a
yeah.
list. The colors is a list.
Oh, this.
Yes, that one. So change that to colon. Yes, now run this program. So what did it do? So it joined all the list items in the list colors with the colon. So whatever character you're saying there, you're saying like join it with this color, with that character.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is what it is doing. So if you so in this case, when we are using this method join, comma does not mean space. Only in the line 3 where you are seeing a comma, right? There you are joining two strings together. So my colors are, that is a string. And then the join colors, the line number 2 is actually another variable. Join colors is another variable. And those two strings you are putting together. And that you are putting together using comma. That is why you are seeing a space in your output after the word or. My colors are space red, colon yellow, colon blue, colon orange, colon like that. Is that clear? you can go ahead and type print as a fourth line, just say print. And then print the join colors, like open bracket. Yeah, go ahead and put it after that print. Open bracket. Yeah, paste it. You copied it, right? Or you did not copy it? If not, like type join underscore colors. Yep. Go ahead and run this one right now. So you see, like in the join colors, all the values in the list got joined together with the colon. So that's another string. Did we any questions here? Like, did we get that point? Is it are we able to follow that line of code?
Yes.
Okay, Vatsal. I'm not hearing any sound from your side, Vatsal. Okay. Are you able to hear us, Vatsal? Advait, you can go ahead and take over the screen sharing. What can you type if you can like hear us? And we are doing quick exercise.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. Oh my video. I don't think I'm seeing your screen. Okay, now I can.
Okay. Well, I already copied and pasted it.
Okay.
And it's this, I'm pretty sure. Wait, let me just check.
Yes, that is the one.
Okay, yeah. Oh god, I have hiccups. Well, if we run it, it says I have tons of loom. Explanation. So it says my city, it's a variable for Bloomington. My sentence is a variable for I had lots of ice cream. So my split sentence equals to my sentence split whatever is going to be in the here. So whenever you print my split sentence, it's going to be splitting a sentence.
Okay, let's just talk that third line. Okay, my split sentence is actually my sentence. So what is my sentence here? My sentence is I had lots of ice cream. Right?
Yeah.
So that is getting split at the spaces. So
okay.
Add one more line after the third line. Just go ahead and hit enter after the third line. And then as the fourth line, type like print the my split sentence. So print that particular one. You can just select from the list. Just double click on it. Yep. Now go ahead and run that program. You will see a list. So my split sentence will be a list. So you see that a sentence, I had lots of ice cream, that got split at the space, and you are seeing a list. which is having like a list of 5 words, whatever words you had in that sentence, it is split right now. So when you say like my split sentence of the at the 0 index, so at the line number 5, we are saying my split sentence 0. What is the my split? What is the 0th index in that my split sentence?
0th index would be I.
I. And then the first index would be?
Had lots of ice cream.
No, it's not the
In
first
that
one.
order.
Is that the first one? There's so much noise on your side. I don't know if it is like the chair you're moving. So the first index will be only had.
Okay.
Right? The second index will be lots.
Okay.
Third one will be?
Of.
And then the fourth one will be ice cream. So the fifth line, when we say my split sentence 0, 1, like 0, and then we are saying my split sentence 1, it's actually putting together I and had.
Okay.
Right? And then what is the, did we get that actually? Like, is that clear?
Yeah, I get that.
Okay. And then my city, what is happening in the line number 6, which is a continuation of line 5, because we have not completed the line 5 still. It does not end with that closed parenthesis. So it's a continuation. So what is happening at the my city 8 colon? That's a substring we learned like last week.
Yeah.
What is happening there?
I think it's taking the 8th index of the
variable my city.
Yeah.
Right? It is starting from the 8th index. It's taking the rest of it.
Yeah.
So that will be ton, T-O-N.
Yeah, and then it says of.
Yes, and we are adding the letter S with the plus because we don't want a space in between T-O-N and then S. We want to call it as tons. So tons.
And then my city 1:5 is taking the first index to the 5th index,
Yes.
which is LOOM.
Yep. Yep.
And then replacing it with ice cream.
Yes, so it is not replacing with ice creams. It did not do anything to that sentence, my sentence word actually at all. It didn't do anything with the my sentence word. So the my sentence word is split at the spaces, like at every space that sentence is chopped off into individual words, and then you held it in that my split sentence variable. So my split sentence is a list. So from this list, it's like you guys have like played the Scrabble, right? Like where individual letters will be small, like all alphabets will be individual blocks. And
I
then you
don't
put
have
it
Scrabble.
together. Okay, it's all individual words available. Then you are putting it together to form a sentence. So your my sentence nothing happened to your my sentence. Your my sentence is still intact. If you print after the 6th line, if you print my sentence, you will still see that my sentence is I had lots of ice cream.
Okay.
Okay. So it is not going to be changing. You are picking pieces of information from those two, like from the variable and then from sentence and forming a new sentence. You have formed a new sentence.
Okay.
Okay. I'd say like keep practicing this piece. Like you can try different values by giving like different values for the my city and then different values in my sentence to see what is happening.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna stop sharing and I'm gonna go get a drink of water for
Okay.
these hiccups.
Okay, yep. Go, stop sharing. Next is Sandy. And you will do like lab 6.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna share my screen. So, make a new one. Already copied it, and so I'm gonna run it now. So I'm going to put in my name, Sandy.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
Yep. So that's your reverse name. So what is this doing? Like we have 2 lines of code. Can you explain it?
So the variable name is like, what it does is like asking a question when it's like input. So then once you type something, it goes into the second line of code. So then it just is it. So it says reversed name. So that join reverse name. So then it just reverses what you put in.
Yep. So the input, what is your name? That is the main thing that's actually asking for the input. Whatever you are like, it's asking for a user input. The value that the user enters for it, that is getting assigned to the variable name. So if in case you did not have you did not type like name equal to, and we just like said input what is your name, you will still see that question what is your name. But when you enter the value Sandy, that value is lost. It is not like that name, whatever you entered, it will get lost because you are not like capturing that information. So you can try to like remove let's not remove that one. Copy that input, what is your name? Copy that and add one more line. Just copy input, what is your name? Copy that whole thing.
I have a question.
Yes, yes, Advait.
Did I miss anything?
You did not miss much, and anyways, it's this call is like recorded. So when if we go to the Skype links, the calls actually the recorded videos will be there. Anyone can click on it and view it.
Nice.
Okay. Yep. So Sandy, are you there with us?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Copy that whole thing where it says input, like starting from input and until that end bracket. Can you copy?
Yeah, I did it.
You did it? Okay.
And I pasted it in the second line.
Paste it as
I copied it and pasted it in the...
I am not seeing that on your screen, so that's why I am wondering. And your voice is definitely...
I can't hear you.
Your voice is lagging actually. I don't know if... can others hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can hear you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your speaker or mic. Okay, maybe we'll move on to the next person though. Your voice is baking actually, Sandy. Sean, you can take over.
I think because of my internet.
Yeah, could be. Because you're saying like my voice is also lagging, but I think it may be just like between your connection and mine. Okay, so Sean, did you get like a error here or what? Like, or were you able to run this code?
I mean, well, the problem is, look, it just say what's your name, was your name.
Mm-hmm. Yes. And then type
It's
your name.
supposed to be reversed. Oh, type my
Type your name. Yeah,
name.
type your name there. Down, actually in the console. Not there. In the console, type your name.
Oh, in the console.
Yeah, after, so you are seeing that question mark, right? What is your name? Question mark. Click there. Down.
Oh, down.
Yes, type your name there.
Oh, so we type my name here.
Yes, and enter. So that is your name reversed.
Okay, that's so silly.
Okay, so
Okay, now, so you type your name in it.
yep. So this is what the user input is. Like you have to, it is asking for the user's input. And when we say like input, what is your name? That is the question that gets asked. And whatever value you entered, that is getting assigned to name. If you need to like type something else, you have to run this program again. You cannot edit anything anymore. Like you have to run the program again for it to take new values.
I have a question.
Yes, Alan.
So when I was trying to do the code for lab 26, can I show you what happened? Like when I ran it?
Okay. Is it
No,
this one, or like can we move on to you once we finish Sean with the 7th exercise?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Sean, can you move on to the next exercise?
Okay. Yeah.
Yep, go ahead and run it.
Oh, and run it.
So it's asking for your city's name. Do you see that down in the console? It's asking a question. So you go down to the console actually. I don't know what you did here.
That's here. I restarted. I found noise wrong. Noise is city.
Yep. So if you scroll up the code, the first one, the Bloomington city, what you entered, it is all capitalized. Like it's all uppercase actually. The first one is all uppercase, and then the next one it is only the first letter is capitalized. And then after that, it is swapped the case. So you entered B in capitals, it changed that to small letters, and then the rest of it changed it to capital letters. And the next one, it changed Bloomington to all lowercase.
I get this.
Yep. And
so
then
the L strip is like that thing here it's like the Illinois goes to here.
yes,
And
it's stripping the spaces before and after.
Here, the right strip, and the strip is like left and right together.
Yes. It just removed all those spaces before and after. In the last line, when we said strip, it's removed all the spaces. It kind of cleaned it.
Capitalized.
Okay.
Swamp case and lowercase. Okay. You want me to stop sharing the screen?
Yes, you can stop sharing the screen. While Snigdha is getting her computer ready, Alan, okay, Alan, go ahead and quickly share your screen, and then we will see like what actually like you are saying. I didn't understand your question though. Which lab you are saying?
Lab 26.
Okay, I'm in every day I'm just using 1 to 10 or like 1 to 16. So
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So when it says like 26, okay, go ahead. What happened? Why is it saying int? Int join. It's supposed to be like print. The very first line, it's supposed to be print. So the PR letters are like missing.
Okay.
Was that the problem you were having? Go ahead, run it. Yep. And
Oh,
you
okay.
enter the
Yeah.
name. Yeah, you have to enter the name in the console. Down in the console, you need to
Yeah.
enter. Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Snigdha, go ahead, Snigdha.
Okay, so do you see my screen?
Yes, yes. I do see your screen. It's the 8th exercise that you're doing.
Okay. When I'm trying to load the labs page, but it's taking forever to load, so I'll
Okay.
wait. Could like some.
Okay, let me paste the code in the chat and you can copy paste that. Will that,
Okay.
yeah, I copy pasted. That's only like a few lines of code. So it's loading actually. There is definitely like a time gap between I'm sending the data and you receiving it.
Yeah, it's taking a few minutes.
Okay.
Wait, I don't see it in the chat.
Yeah, I'm seeing that as like you are typing, so maybe we just have to like wait.
No, I'm not typing. I'll close
Yeah,
it. I
you're
had it open, so.
so I think there is some delay in your internet connection. Did you see it in the chat
Yeah,
yet?
but when I open up my internet, it says that it's a strong signal.
Interesting. So, can you check the chat again? I just sent. So, did anybody else receive this chat message? Name is
Yeah.
equal to code. Yeah.
Yeah, we did.
Okay, everybody received it. So let me.
Okay, it says that you're typing.
Yes, but it's not like coming to you. Okay, maybe.
Could you just like tell me what to type and then I'll type it into PyCharm?
Okay, it is name is equal to.
Okay, so let me.
So copy that first line. Actually, copy the first line from here. From this code, you got it right.
Wait, so it's lab 8, right?
Yeah, lab 8. But go back to the lab.
Lab 6 or lab
Copy
6?
the first line from the lab 6.
Oh, the first line from lab 6.
Mm-hmm. And then, yeah, next line, type like for x in range 10.
For
For
x
x in
in
range
range
10, which will be in bracket. Yep. And then
parenthesis.
colon after that.
I know.
No space between range and 10. Okay, it's fine, I think.
Oh.
Yep. And then the next line, say print, and then open bracket name, comma, end equal to
And
end end equals within quotes. No, equal to end equals within the quotes.
okay.
Give
Within
quotes. Yeah, rules, 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 and then colon, like exclamation mark. Not
at the
the after rules, give exclamation mark.
okay.
Yep, and run this. That's all.
Should I put in my name?
Yes, put in your name. Yep, just says stick the rules. So what is that end equal to? It's taking that name input, like whatever value came, and it ends each of those with rules like that. For 10 times it is doing. So end equal to means it ends that name like it's a different kind of joining. So it ends it with that word, whatever you have added there. Got it?
Yeah.
Dhruv, your turn. Is Dhruv there? Yes, he's there. So that's lab number 9, Dhruv.
Is my screen popping up?
Your voice is kind of breaking, but yeah.
Can you see the? Do you see the Skype or do you see pie chart?
We see the Skype. Like
Yeah.
yep.
Okay, give me a sec. There. That better?
Yes. So lab 9.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Okay, run it.
Yep, run it. Okay, so if we walk through this code, like we are assigning 2 variables at the beginning. It says like my name and my age. So do you see the difference between like like we are naming it meaningfully and no reuse of the name is also happening, right? My name is just the computer's name, we can assume. And my age is just the computer's age. And it says like your name, and you are actually, it's asking for taking the user's input. So the user's input is assigned to the variable your name. And age of the user, next it asks a different question and it assigns it to a different variable, because if you just in case if in line number 4 also we are assigning it to like your name, then we lost the value what was entered in the name field.
Yeah.
So those are like 2 different variables. Then we are using the string concatenation methods to just like put together all the values. So it's just saying like my name is Matthew, I'm 43 years old. Your name is Dhruv, you're 10 years old. It's nice meeting you, Dhruv. Okay.
Okay, should I stop sharing or?
Stop sharing, and Alan, it's your turn, and lab number 10.
Okay, I stopped sharing, right?
Yes, you can stop sharing, Dhruv.
Did I stop? Okay.
You did, I think. Alan, is this you're sharing, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Yep. You just want only one pizza, Alan? Then how will like do the math? Okay, what? How much does that pizza cost?
Well.
Just give a value.
Okay.
Okay, so the total cost of it is like $8.62. You see that the number of pizzas is actually the value, whatever you entered, it went into number of pizzas and the cost was.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. And it
wait, but like 6292 is not really, you can't really pay that, right?
You can't really pay.
It
just like goes and like that level of that much level of it enters, because you entered 2 decimal places, and then in the tax rate there is like 2 more decimal places.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So it actually, whatever input you're taking there, whatever input you're giving, you're inputting it as strings. So it converts it into like an integer. When that value is coming it as like eval, it converts it as like numbers and then assigns it to the number of pizzas. And then the same is happening. Here eval statement, we are really not evaluating anything, but it's just like assigning those numbers to the cost of pizza. Then the subtotal is we are doing math now, whatever we learned like last week in the number operations. So you're multiplying these two numbers. And then tax rate is a float that we have assigned. And we are multiplying the subtotal with the tax rate.
Okay. Yeah, I see it.
Your tax. Then your total will be your total cost of pizza plus your tax.
Okay.
And then you are putting all these values and printing.
Cool. That's neat.
Yep. So go to stop sharing. Next is Miles.
I should be able to see my screen now.
Yes, it is. So yes, they are able to see the screen. That is lab number 11.
11. No.
You may have to like stop this program. No. You started running it, stop that program, and then you can like switch to the next one.
Miles, close the window you have open.
Okay.
The three now close this. Click that X. Now try doing a new file. No? Huh.
I actually clicked something and now it won't let me make a new file.
Yeah, escape out of click escape.
Oh, you know what? Hit stop.
Stop that program and then yes, because it was expecting an input from you.
No.
Okay.
Editor config.
Exit and then go back in the window Python. So
Wait, which one are we on?
We are on the 11th one.
Okay, that's what I thought. I'm just confused. Thought I saw 13 or something.
Yeah, we are at 11 actually.
Got it.
what? Just loading. No.
No? Okay. Maybe wondering like why is that like editor config file?
I'm pretty sure I accidentally clicked this.
I don't know where you're pointing though because your window.
Wait.
Oh, here.
Hold on. There. This thing, like, whenever I click on file and new, like this thing pops up instead of like the thing to create a file.
Okay.
Here, can I try something?
Hold on. Toggle scaling. Hold on. I just show her.
No, click on new while you are like checking on the Python class though. Click on Python class and then click on new. Yeah, click there and then now click on new so that if whatever you are creating new will get into the Python.
Okay.
Just gonna toggle scaling again because it looks long.
Okay.
It's a lot easier. Nope. Nope. There's the code, and then go down here and.
When you start running, that console will pop up. Just go ahead and run it. At the beginning, you might not see it.
Run?
Yep. So write a math program, like you have to enter a math problem. So you can type like scroll down. It's there in the console. So you need to type like some problem 3 + 2 or whatever math problem you're thinking about. Go ahead and type.
Like I type it right here?
Yes, type it right there.
Then enter?
Yep. That's it. The answer to problem 12 + 2 is like 12. So if you need to type one more problem, you can do that. Or if you click, if you type Q, it will end. So go, yeah.
Can 10 times 10?
Yep. So if you click, go ahead and type like Q, then it would actually like end.
It says Q to quit.
Yes.
Where's
Yeah.
Nice.
Yes. So we scroll up, like first it's in the line number 2, it is asking for a math problem to be entered. And as long as you're not typing Q, it just keeps repeating. That's what the while not equal to, while problem not equal to, like the answer that you're giving, like the whatever you're typing in the console, if it is not equal to Q, it just keeps on running. It keeps on asking you the next problem. Okay, tell me what next problem you want me to solve. And say like print the answer to the problem is, evaluate the problem, that same question again. We got.
It's really cool.
Okay, yes. Next is Vatsal.
Me.
You can stop sharing, Miles.
Stop sharing.
Okay. So which lab are we doing?
Lab 12.
Lab 12? Okay. Okay, let me get lab 12 ready. Okay.
There is total like 16 labs today. So we are at lab 12. So there is 4 and like 5. This is the fifth.
So lab 12 says import turtle t equals turtle.pen. So t forward 100, t left 90, pen up, and then t forward 100, pen down, then left 90, forward 100.
Yeah. So the whatever, like except for pen up and pen down, we have already done those, the rest of the ones in Turtle, right? We know what forward would do. We know what it would do. So the pen up, actually, it when you are writing, when your pen is up, when you move your hand, you don't write anything, right?
Yeah.
So that's what the Turtle also will be doing. Go ahead and run the code.
Okay. But you can't see it.
You can keep it already finished actually. So keep this window here and then like try to close it. Close.
Okay.
Yeah, and then run it one more time.
Okay.
And I think it is coming in your other screen. If in case it's coming on your other screen, you may have.
It's coming on my other screen.
Yeah, so you see that it just put like 2 lines, and when the pen is up at line number 6 and it goes forward 100, it did not draw a line. That is what happened.
Oh.
Okay, it did not draw a line, and then from there, after it went forward 100, it put the pen down again, and then it started going. It turned left and went forward.
Oh, so pen up means going without touching.
Yes, going without.
Oh.
So in our project, if you see, you are it doesn't like the names when it is printed in the project. It's not like continuous. I will upload the project lab today, but it's not like continuous. So you would use this pen up and pen down concepts.
Okay.
Okay. Next, Advait.
Okay, so I'll stop sharing and.
Hi.
Hi, Advait. Is your hiccups done?
Wait, let me mute.
Okay. Yep.
All right. Share screen.
You're feeling better with your hiccups, Advait?
Yes, they're not there anymore.
Okay, good.
Well, I already copied. Can you see my screen first?
Yes.
All right. Well, I already copied the thing.
Okay.
And bam. So let me just run it.
Mm-hmm. So in these, like, there's
What?
really, not new concepts though. So in your console, you're seeing there's a question: what color should be your pen?
All right.
Right.
Can I like? Wait. What?
Yeah, you go ahead and try to see if you're able to like type in the console. Yeah, type in the console as
Blue.
enter. And then what color do you want your background to be?
Cyan.
Okay. Now if you yeah.
Ooh la la. So it's literally a turtle, and it went into a circle.
Yeah.
So if I can explain this right,
Mhm.
we'll just put that there.
You can close that window. Yeah, just close it.
All right, so it imports the turtle first because turtle is a, well, something you need to import. It's a library. My pen equal to turtle.turtle. So well, okay, that's why it's shaped like a turtle. My pen shape dot shape equal to turtle. So that's why the turtle, the pen looked like actual turtle.
Yes.
Because the shape was a turtle.
Mm-hmm.
So the turtle color
Mm-hmm.
is equal to the so it puts in the console.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to see the
It
turtle cut
actually the
the
user's input. It's asked the user for what color their pen wants to be, and then the value entered by the user is saved in the variable turtle underscore color.
yeah, and then it's basically saying that the pen color is whatever you put inside the turtle color,
Yes.
and then the background color is basically the same thing that happened with this thing,
Mm-hmm.
but a different question.
Mm-hmm.
And then it also did the same thing with the background color, and then it did a circle that's about 50 pixels.
It's actually the radius. So it's 50 is the radius. 50 pixel radius. That's the radius.
So the so the pixels is the radius is 50 pixels, and then the turtle became done.
Yes.
So that's a very interesting and cool command, in my opinion. So now I will stop sharing my screen and let whoever goes next.
Sandy would be going next. Is Sandy there? I don't. Yes, I see Sandy and hope Sandy's internet connection is good. Sandy, can you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you guys.
Yeah, we can hear you very well now. So lab 14.
Okay. I'm just gonna copy it.
Mm-hmm.
enter a number of sides between 2 and 6. So I'm going to put 5.
Okay. And your turtle screen. So go ahead and open your turtle screen. Yep. So it just starts drawing with 5 sides.
Yeah.
Okay. So what if you give a different value, you can like close this one and try to give a different value. You'll see a different. Run the program again.
I think I just somehow broke this way.
Okay, you broke it.
Somehow, yeah, I kind of at least broke the rules of it.
Okay.
Wait, can I show you after this?
Yes, after this you can. So you see that it's drawing a different shape, right, Sandy?
Yeah.
Yep. So that's
I
you.
have a question.
Yes, yes.
So can you make the computer say something?
Whatever is in, okay, say means like verbally, vocally, sound, making sound.
Vocally, yeah, like making sound.
We have to see if in Python if there is any sound libraries.
Okay.
In the standard libraries, we have to see if there is any standard libraries or if there is any libraries that is being done, like any packages available that we can like download to make sound.
Or you could just turn a narrator on.
Yeah, okay. I just wanted to do something.
Yeah, search for in the pypi.org, like the PyP, like try to see if there is any sound libraries. Is there's 200,000 libraries available, so we just have to like see if anything is available. But you may have to like learn a lot, like you might have to do a lot of reading in that.
Okay. Yeah, I just wanted the computer to say friendly Apache incoming.
No. Okay. So Sandy, you can stop sharing, and then Sean. We are doing like lab 15, Sean.
Can I show you that now?
Okay. Sean, just pause and then let Dhruv show his screen, and then you can start. Yeah, go ahead, Dhruv.
Okay, shared, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That working?
Yes, I can see it.
Right, so I have this, right? So let's run this. So it says between 2 and 6, okay? Right? So I decided to I wanted to see what happened. When I went with 7, there was an error. When I went with 1, this happened.
With 1, it actually worked, you mean? That's...
Yeah, here's 1.
Okay, so then with 7, so that means there is a... You have done a negative testing on this code and then you have found a bug.
I mean, yeah, I just wanted to see what happened if I went above or below.
That's a good... I think you have a great testing mindset, Dhruv. So this is how we, there are a lot of programmers, but then having people to test is the biggest challenge every computer software companies would be having. So you are like great in testing.
Yeah, so it's just 1, 0, 0 and 7. I'm guessing since 7 works fine, they'll work fine. It's just 1.
Okay, it's just 1 is now. 1 is working fine. Okay, we need to...
Maybe you could add if 1, if 1 pass.
No, so go, you might have to like do that because the value what you're entering is getting into the sides there.
Yeah,
so
I'll see what happens if I debug this.
Yep, you can do that. So while you debug it, Sean, go ahead and share your screen, and it is like the 15th lab. We'll cover the debugging concept at some later in couple of classes. We will see like how we can debug the codes and how we can start watching the variables.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, lab 15.
Lab 15.
I think I've done that. Yeah, that's lab 15. Okay. So...
Yeah. So you have to like
so
type
that is it like 1 and press OK. It's going to be red.
Did you? I've not
going to be
the screen actually. What I'm seeing on the screen is only like how many sides do you want? That's what I'm seeing. Did you type one, then hit enter already?
Well, I realized that, look at this, because every time I wanted like this, how many sides, it does how many colors.
No, how many sides? So where you're saying 4, go ahead and click there where it says 4. Okay, it's done.
Yeah,
Frozen.
click 4.
I think
It's
like both.
It keeps on freezing.
Yeah, Sean, your
oh,
screen
now
is
I can
freezing.
see it, right?
We cannot see anything now. It's a
Now
black
it's blank.
blank, and now I can see the Skype, and now I can see Python turtle graphics. So did you notice, like, if you type, if you stop this, go ahead and stop this one, like close.
Close.
Close this window. I don't know which window you're seeing. Like, okay, and go to your PyCharm.
So what's this?
Mm-hmm. And
So
where you're seeing 4, you click there. Where it says 4, how many sides do you want? Click there in the text box.
maybe 8.
Yeah, give 8. Click enter. Okay.
And see what it is.
Okay.
Ooh. Look at this dimension.
Mm-hmm. So instead of getting that console, instead of taking the user's input from the console, this program is actually taking the user input from the turtle screen itself.
Can I say something?
Yes, yes, Sandy.
Input.
Since it's the turtle, not the console, you can't break the rules in this one.
You cannot do what?
Since this isn't using the console, you can't go above or below the 1 or 8, 1 to 8.
You cannot go above or below 1 to 8. Okay, yeah. Yes, because they would have had like more checks in the background to say, like, if the value, whatever value you are saying as minimum and maximum, you cannot like go beyond that.
Yeah, so if you put that on 50 on lab 14 wouldn't have that problem either.
Yep, we have to add additional code to check that if the person is entering values less than one, like less than 2, it should actually not execute, it should end it. So you need to have checks there.
Yeah, I'm gonna do one more thing.
Snigdha, you can go ahead and share the screen. So Sean, you can stop sharing.
The classroom page still isn't working.
Oh, it's
So
not
can you
working
tell me
well.
what to type in again?
Okay, let me share my screen and then probably like I will run that code actually for, because this is like lot of lines of code to say. I can type it here. I can type it in the IM, but
I might not get it.
okay. Tell me if you're getting it. Did you get?
Typing. Now, waiting for it.
Wait, I have a question, but I'm Vatsu. I have a question.
Yes, what's
So in in um in lab in lab 15, it says, why does it say so in line 6 it says sides int turtle num input, so it says number of sides, that's like the title, and then it says the question, how many sides you want, 1 to 8. Why does it say 4 comma 1 comma 8?
So
Is that like
is the value that you will be seeing when that screen pops up?
Oh, the range of the input?
The range of the input is 1 to 8, but when that particular screen is popping up, what do you want to see? Like it's the default value. if you type like 3,1,8, when that window pops up, you would see 3.
Oh.
Okay, it's a default value what you want your programmer to see.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you. Are you guys seeing my screen for the last lab? Actually, Snigdha, I'll run.
Yeah.
You can see. Okay, so if I run this, let me see where actually my Python console. Yep. So it's asking for the name here. So
Oh, I think I already copied and pasted it like at the beginning of class. Like just to test out one of the codes. I think I copied and pasted it already. It's like the import turtle, your name equals
yeah, you have the code, you mean?
Yeah, like I had it copied down before, so could I run it? Should I share my
You
screen?
can run it. Yeah, you can share your screen and then run it. Go ahead.
Do you see my screen?
Yeah, I think it's loading.
Okay, do you see my screen?
Oh, not it. I'm seeing a blank screen.
Okay. I just tried to reconnect my Wi-Fi. It now should work. Do you see my screen now?
I don't see your screen. Is
I see your
anybody else?
screen. I can see it.
Okay, then maybe I'm just missing something. Go.
Okay, so I have the code. This one.
Okay, I can see the screen.
This one. So should I put in my name?
Yes, go ahead and put in your name.
And then it puts my name in twice.
Yes, so that we see that the line number 4 is the one that's asking for the name, and we are like doing the pen up, going forward 100, left 92, and pen down. You're writing your name, and this is the font is like Arial and int 10, and writing it in bold. And then we are doing pen up again, going forward and turning left, and we pen down and write the name. So this combination is going to be the homework for everyone for next class. I would be posting that in the lab. I know we did not like get to the homework pieces like of last week. Maybe like next class we can like if at the beginning we can take some time to like do the homework. But try to complete the previous homework in case like give it a try looking at the old code. So you may not see exact copy paste of what you would need to do. It would be like a combination of concepts that you have learned from every lab. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so the assignment is the project that I'll be loading right now, and then in 15 minutes you guys can like check it.
Wait, so are you gonna upload it on the Google Classroom?
Yes, I'll upload it on
Okay.
the.
Can you show what
Wait,
the project?
so the project is gonna be the homework, right? That's
Yes.
the. Okay. Okay.
If you have
Can you
completed the
show what the
homework.
project is supposed to look like?
Yes, I did actually share the project, but I can like share it one more time. Hold on.
Okay. Like in the classroom it's there?
Yes, I'm uploading that file right now, so just give me 1 minute and I will. So the previous homework, whatever we were supposed to complete, if you have not completed it, complete that one. Okay, and along with that, this work
I've
is
completed that homework.
Yes, I think I sent you a question, Advait, on that. If it is not graded, that means I have sent a question. So if you don't see 100%, that means I've sent a question.
I'll check.
Okay, yeah, check it out. And so this is like homework, and it's due on before Monday.
Oh, I see your question.
Yes.
I did. It's it might not be visible, but it changed the pen size to 2.5.
Okay. But in the code, I didn't see it. That's what I wanted to see in the code.
Oh, you didn't see the code? Okay,
Yeah.
I can share the code.
Yeah. So here's the homework. The project is listed here. So the project is like you need to write a program to take the user's name as an input and draw the picture as shown. So this is like it's asking for the user's name as input, and I entered like Pokemon, and then you should be getting a picture like this.
Oh, that's trippy.
Yep.
Can
So
it
that
be like similar to that, like a different design, or does it have to be exactly that design?
okay. I need to see it like in different lanes. Like it can be like straight line as much as possible, but if it comes like exactly like this, you will get like complete. It has to be similar to this or more advanced than this.
Okay.
Okay, similar or more advanced to that. And I have the base line of code, so I'll be comparing it with what you have done. And if you have got additional lines of code, not the lines, additional functionalities than what I have, then you can get like extra credits. But if you have anything less than that, then that particular grades would be like reduced. Like okay.
I think I have a strategy in order to do this, but I'm not
Okay.
going to tell any of you.
It's not a competition though. So work together, team members like working together also helps if in case so you can learn from each other, but complete the other labs also, like complete this other labs that is given to. So this
Not
is
like you're gonna win a prize if you do
like
it first. Or
yeah,
you do
this homework like you. Okay.
Hey, Vanita, I have a question for when are you gonna post the homework in 15
Video.
minutes?
This is the homework. I just posted it today. It's under homework project 1 that is due 28th.
Oh,
When
Okay.
are you going to post the videos, like on Google Classroom?
show project 1.
All
Okay, yeah, I see the project. Never mind.
yes. So the moment I stop recording this video, it gets available in the chat window. So you can, if you want to like see it, you can go to the chat window and you would be seeing the videos. But I have to like download that video and upload it to YouTube and then put the.
Okay, got it.
But until that, you can always see the video in this chat window.
Okay, well, I gotta go.
Yes, everybody has to go now. Thank you guys. I know we went like
Bye.
more. Yeah, bye.
Yeah, we went more, but that's fine. I got tons of free time,
Okay,
considering
bye.
it's summer vacation. Bye.
Bye.
Peace.